Good afternoon everyone. Today we have Adiba with us. She has finished her level 1 and today she is going to give demo of single digit addition subtraction. Can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, make 3, add 5, minus 7, add 9, add 3, add 2, add 5, add 4, add 6, add 9, minus 7, add 2, add 6, add 3, add 7, add 9, minus 4, add 5, add 3, add 2, add 3, add 2. Answer the 70 plus 6 plus 5. Yes, plus 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 8 plus 3 plus 7. What is your answer?
150.
115. Right answer. Very good.